Catch it in the middle.
Okay, folks, hold on to your ticket. We announcing our next door prize drawing in about at 12 o'clock. Also out in our lobby, we have a drawing for a barbecue grill and scale layout and our HF scale layout. So please come out there, whether or not be present to
I've seen
win.
this layout before.
Also have the blessing of having in our lobby. And the concession stand is open.
See, this is all you need. This is I think this is a 2-foot table.
Yeah,
If not,
it's probably. It might be 30.
no, it's not 3 feet.
It's probably 2 feet.
That's 2 feet.
Yeah, but see, I need 6 more inches for the highway.
So out here or here?
Either side.
Or let it go down the center.
Well, not with a yard.
Think about it. When you get to the yard, you can take it across the tracks. You know what I'm saying? And then have a road there.
My plan is to build it on the back side. So if you set them up like this, you have a 2-lane highway elevated. But if you put them together, then you have a 4-lane interstate. If you put the modules back to back, yeah, that's the game plan. What are those?
Well, it's supposed to be smoke exhaust.
Oh. Oh, look, Sparky, Conrail.
Are you live?
No. I thought about going live on Facebook, but
Let's do it from Facebook.
got some
And then you can share it to YouTube.
CPs over there.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.